lion. It's a lion. The lion says, roar, 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 roar. Okay, let's close. Can you close the door? Close it. It's closed. Let's close the door. Close the door. Close door. Okay. Next, what's this one? What's this one? Can you open the door, please? Open. Look, it's a monkey. Hi, monkey. Say hi, monkey. Yes, it's a monkey. The monkey goes inside the house. Can you close the door, please? Close door like this one. Closing. Your turn. Can you close the door? Close the door. Close the door.
Close mo na.
Close the door. Let's close. Close, close, close. Sige, teacher's gonna close it for you. Let's put it back inside. You want it there? You want the animals? Sige. Teacher's gonna put here the animals, huh? Okay, let's wipe them. Wiping. Good job. Let's play some more. What's this? These are eggs. Wow. Let's open. Open. Wow. What's this? It's a heart. Let's shoot. Your turn. Can you open the egg, please? Good job. It's an orange egg. Can you open the egg? Look, our teacher's gonna open the egg. Wow. Your turn. Let's open the egg. Come on. Now let's use your hand. Come on. Open. Let's open together. Open. 1, 2, 3. Open. You shoot. Your turn. Can you shoot it here? Shoot. Come on. Let's shoot the egg here. Like this one, no? Shoot. Come on. Teacher's gonna help you, huh? Let's shoot. Shooting. Good job. Okay, how about this one? Purple egg. Can you open? Open. Let's open.
Open mo na rin.
Open. Wow. Your turn. Let's open. Like this one. A teacher's gonna help you. Is it okay? Teacher's gonna hold you. Open.
Wow.
Shoot. How about this
Galing
one? Can you shoot? Good job. Can you give
galing
teacher a high five?
High five.
High five.
High five.
Come on.
High five.
High five. Okay, last two. Where is yellow?
Hello.
Where's yellow? Get yellow. Where's yellow? Can you point yellow? Where's yellow?
Saan ang yellow?
Where's yellow? Where is yellow?
Saan daw, Ray?
Is it this one or this one? This one? Is this yellow? Yes or no? Yes, it's yellow. Can you open the yellow egg?
Open mo daw.
Open. Sabay tayo mag-open. Our teacher's gonna open the blue egg. Open. It's your turn, Reeve. Come on. Let's hold the egg. Hold egg.
Go, Nak, go.
Come on. Wow, the egg looks pretty, no? Oh, come on, can you hold the egg? Where's your other hand? Can you hold? Come on. Okay. Let's hold. Oh, hold my egg.
Yan, half
Come
map.
on. See?
Yeah.
Very good holding.
Very good.
Now let's open. Open. You need help? Now let's open the egg. Open the egg together. Our teacher's gonna open for you now, huh? Open. Wow. It's a yellow circle. Now can you shoot the egg? Shoot, shoot, shoot. Good job. Can you give teacher a high five? High five. High five, Brave.
Appear, appear.
Up here, up here, up here, up here. Up here. Asan ni hand ni teacher? Up here. Up here. Good job. Next, do you want to build a tower? Let's build a tower.
Wow.
9, 8, 7. Your turn. Can you put the cup here? Come on. Come on. 7, 6, 5. Oh, your turn. Come on. Let's put the cup. Get the cup. Put it here. Good job holding. Let's put the cup here. Let's put the cup here, Dave.
Go on.
Come on. Do you need help? Huh? Do you need help? Oh, let's hold it together. Let's hold it together. 4. Good job. How about 3? How about 3? Can you put 3?
Yun.
Can you put 3? Good job holding. Put it here. Let's build a tower. 3. Come on. Let's hold it together. Let's wipe, wipe, wipe. Wiping. Lagi po siya naglalaway. Sige. Okay. Come on, let's put it here. Oh. 3. Oh, your turn. Come on. How about number 2? Let's finish the tower. 2 and what's next with 2? 1. Okay. Let's put together the tower. Can you put the 1 here? Come on. Hold. Let's hold. Good job
Yan,
holding.
very good, Ray.
And
Wow.
Good job. We built the tower. No?
Galing yan.
High five.
Appear, appear, appear.
Up here.
Appear.
Up here. Up here. Up here. Good job. Kamusta naman po siya sa pagkain? Hindi naman lumalabas yung
Hindi
pagkain
naman.
niya.
Pagka gusto niya talaga, kainin niya talaga.
Sadyang kapag wala siyang kinakain, kuwari ganito, medyo nakanganga lang po siya. Okay, sige. Hindi na naman problems. Okay. Okay, let's try this one.
Ayan.
Look.
Wow.
Wow! You want to build a tower pa? 1, 2, 3. Uh-oh! The tower fell down. Okay, let's try this one. Let's try shape.
Ayun.
Wow! Tignan nga natin, no? Where would you put the square? Square, square, square. Where would you put the square? Yes, it's a square. Where would you put the square? Come on, come on, come on, come on. Let's put the square here. Like this one, no?
Ayun.
Wow!
Galing
Your
nga.
turn, your turn.
Your turn.
Let's go, Rave. Let's go. Come on, come on, come on. Let's put the square. Yes. Well, let's put it together. 1, 2, 3. Wow.
Galing ah.
How about the rectangle? Where would you put the rectangle? Let's put it together. Where would you put the rectangle? Let's put it here. Almost there, almost there.
No, no, no.
Let's go, Reem. Let's go. Sige, let's put it together. Let's put together rectangle. Wow! Rectangle. Good job. Next, let's put the heart. Where should we put the heart? The purple heart. Come on, come on, come on. Heart. Push, 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 push. Push. Push heart.
Push mo heart.
Come on. Push. Oh, look at teacher. Let's do it together. Push. Good job. Oh, last one, last one. Where would you put the circle? Yes, you know it. Circle. Good job. Where would you put the circle? A circle first.
Saan?
Wow!
Oh, galing mo! Galing,
What's
Rayma.
that? It's a triangle.
Triangle.
Where would you put the other shapes? Very good na yun. Lagay mo dito. Let's put it together. Yan. How about the circle? Kaya mo naman pala eh.
Go, nak ka.
Come on. Circle. Circle. Pili ka ng shape. Ano gusto mo ilagay? Wow, favorite mo ang star?
Ayun.
Saan mo nalagay ang star?
Oh, galing.
Almost there!
Oh, no.
Where's the star now? Almost there! Konti na lang. Our teacher will help. Put star. Push, 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 push.
Ang galing.
Wow! Next, pick one. Which one do you want? Do you want the circle? Let's try the circle now. Circle.
Sige, Ray.
Get circle. Let's put it here. Let's put together circle. Good job holding, huh?
Wow.
Push, push. Good job. Good job. Nice job. High five. High five, Reem. High five. Good job. Okay, let's try other toys. Let's try other toys. How about this one?
Wow.
Look, we have different animals. We have a panda, a tiger,
Tiger.
a frog,
Wow.
a pig, it's a hippo pala, and a bear. Wow. Can you shoot one ring here? Wow, let's shoot rings. Your turn. Let's shoot some rings. Shoot, shoot, shoot. Now let's shoot, let's shoot. Good job yan eh, no? Good job. Very good yan eh. Let's shoot the ring.
Shoot mo, shoot, Ray.
Come on. You need help? You need help? Let's shoot. Shoot ring. Look, look, look. Let's shoot. Good job. How about the other one? Shooting. Shoot
Shoot,
rings. Come on, let's shoot it here.
Shoot.
Shoot, 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 shoot. Come on. Let's shoot, shoot, shoot together. Shooting. Come on. Wow. You want more toys? Let's natapon yung bubbles natin. You want more bubbles? Bubbles? Yes, please.
Wow.
Wow, let's pop bubbles. Pop bubbles. More? More? More bubbles?
Iya lang siya. Gusto niya yan eh.
Wow! It's big!
Tawa na ikaw ah.
Tawa-tawa ka na, ha? More? Wow! Nagsasmile Nagsasmile na yan. Nagsasmile na si Reva. More? You want more? Wow! More bubbles? More bubbles? More, please. Bubbles. Wow! Umano pa sa'yo. Masok pa sa bibig mo na. Bubbles! Wow! Bubbles! Want more? More? Oh, the teacher, more. Say more. Pop mo ha. Pop bubbles ha. Pop. Oh, your turn. Pop bubbles. Pop. Okay. Wow, it's big! It's a big bubble. More? You want more? More bubbles. More. Wow! You want bubbles pala, ha? Hindi po siya nag-daycare po, no?
Hindi. Ay, nag-try ako. Dinaycare siya kaso, iyak lang siya ng iyak.
Ah, you want to hold? More bubbles? More pa?
Wow!
You want bubbles? Sige, more pa? You want more? More, please. More? More? Nagtiteeth grind po? Hindi naman po.
Hindi naman po.
Hindi naman. Ang dami, no? Oh, let's go more some more bubbles. Wow, look!
Patak.
Look! Wow! Good job! More bubbles! Want more?
Pag may kailangan siya, may eye contact siya sa'yo. Pagka wala, ayun, mag-isa lang siya.
Pero kapag tinatawag, wala pa, no? Wow! Coloring skills wala rin po.
Wala.
Writing, wala rin. More? More ah. Try mo? Blow mo ha, blow.
Hindi ka siya marunong.
Come on.
Ganon.
Ganon.
Oh,
Ako na lang. Ako, maubusan si teacher ng hilinga. Wow! More? You want more? Wow, sorry! Wow, good job! Sige, let's try ha. One last time. Let's try to shoot. Shoot lang gusto ng teacher. Can you shoot this one here?
Wow!
Shoot!
Shoot!
Shoot! I like this one ha.
Ah.
Shooting! Your turn. Shoot ring! Oh, come on. Do you need help?
Shoot mo na, shoot!
Shoot! Shooting!
Shoot!
Shoot natin together! Good job! Oh, last one. Shoot! Hold.
Shoot mo, shoot!
Up. Hold. And then, shoot! Good job. Do you want to build the tower? Huh? Let's build the tower together, no? 9, 8. Your turn. 7. Hold natin together. Hold. 7. Ikaw naman. Come on. 7. Good job. 6.
6.
Come on.
6.
6.
Yeah,
Ayos.
nagaling
Good
na.
job. Next. 5.
5.
Come on.
Antok na yung mata.
Top na siya. 5. Okay, next. 4.
4.
4. Push.
Push. Oh, galing
Good
na.
job. Next. 3.
3.
Get me yung 3. Come on.
Up. Wow!
Good job. High five.
Very good naman.
Next. Number 2.
2. Up.
Number 2. Hold mo, hold.
2.
Push.
Wow!
Good job. And last one. Where's number 1? Where's number 1? Where's my number 1? Where's number 1?
Yeah, number 1.
Last one.
Number
Number 1. Get. Now you put it here.
Wow!
Almost there.
Yeah!
Good job.
Galing na.
Galing. High five.
Galing na.
High five. Can you give teacher some high five?
High five.
High five.
High five.
High five. High five. Oh no, it fell. Do you want to build it again? 3, 2. Galing na. 1. Come on.
Galing naman.
Marunong naman pala. Come on. Hold. 1, 1, 1.
One more. Go, na, go.
Come on. Come on. Let's put 1. Let's put 1.
Go, Ray.
Come on.
Wow!
Wow. Almost there.
Almost there.
Good.
Yeah.
Sige, help ka ng teacher. Push.
Wow!
Ang
Galing
galing naman pala ni Rave. And let's put it here. Good job. Sige, no. Ano po, more exposure po tayo sa toys, no? Tapos makipaglaro pa po tayo sa kanya para ma-develop pa po yung play skills po niya. Since parang ano naman po, yung once na naturuan niyo po siya kung paano niya laruin, for example, yung tower na to, nagagawa niya naman to, which is very good naman po, no? Tapos, ano pa ba? Siguro, i-address ko po muna mainly sa kanyang play skills. Kasi gusto ko makapaglaro na siya ng iba't ibang toys muna. Then at the same time, i-address ko rin po yung kanyang work behavior. So for example, yung attention, then kanyang joint attention, yung pakikinig niya kay teacher, sa inyo din. Tapos po, i-address ko na rin po yung kanyang eye contact and yung name calling po niya una, no? Tapos, ayusin na rin po natin, homework ko rin po sa inyo, baguhin na po natin yung routine po niya. For example, okay naman po siya na maaga gumising, pero when it comes sa mga hapon na, i-minimize na lang natin yung stress na para makabawi yung tulog niya ng gabi. Uno, tapos nun, para makagising din po siya ng maaga and kompleto po yung tulog po niya. Okay po ba yun?
Okay.
Sige. So, play.
Mas maganda kaya kung hindi niya makita yung TV. Kasi paglabas mo sa kwarto niya, TV nandun na eh. Eh yung ate niya minsan nanonood, wala, makikinood na rin siya.
Sige, i-control na lang po natin.
Itago ko na lang siguro.
Itago na lang po siguro. Makakatulong din po yun sa atin din po niya para ma-lessen din po natin yung screen time ng mga bata kahit papano po, no? And, ano pa ba? More play. Gusto ko po na mag-alat po tayo ng oras sa kanyang paglalaro. Make it 4 hours po, no? So, kailangan within sa 4 hours na yun, dapat makikipaglaro po tayo sa kanya. Hindi yung pwedeng siya lang maglaro po, no?
Kaso kasi parehas kami may trabaho.
Yung biyanan po niya,
Ayun.
yun na lang, kahit siya na lang po.
Paglaro, ayan.
Educate na lang po natin, pagsabihan na lang po natin yung biyanan po ninyo na makipaglaro po sa kanya. Instead po sana na TV lang kasi wala po talaga tayong tututunan doon, no? Sige. Okay. Sige po, Daddy, dito po nagtatapos ang ating session. I suggest po, twice a week po sana. Kaya po ba ng twice a week or medyo bahol po tayo sa budget?
Budget sa ngayon.
Sige, okay lang po sa akin kahit once a week po muna, no? Basta po, yung magpapa-homework ko po sa kanya after session, magagawa po natin sa bahay. May mga times din po na manghingi po ako ng videos po, if okay lang po sa inyo, para ma-check po lang din po if okay lang po yung play po ninyo sa bahay po, no? If okay po yung napapagawa nyo po sa kanya, yung mga pinapa-homework ko po, ganon. Then, ano pa ba? Meron pa po ba kayo ibang katanungan?
Wala naman.
Wala naman na so far. Meron naman po tayong GC na gagawin po si Miss Jonica, no? If ever po may additional po kayong tanong sa bahay, about sa may problem po kayo sa bahay, with regards to him po, or mga additional na tanong na pwede ko pong gawin for him, i-message na lang po sa group chat po natin,
sige
no?
po.
Sige po. Okay, so, dito na po natatapos ang ating session, no? Maraming salamat po. Kayo po si?
Bong po.
Okay, si Daddy po.